The RECOM Power REFIN2U CL Series Flat Panel 1AC power supply is an ultra-slim, high-performance AC to DC module designed for space-constrained installations. Housed in a 2U 36mm step-shaped form factor, it delivers 90 watts continuous power with a 150% peak boost for 4.5 seconds, making it suitable for demanding loads. Push-in terminals and flexible DIN rail mounting simplify installation, while audible noise suppression makes it ideal for office and residential environments. Meeting global safety and power-limited compliance requirements, the supply provides safe, constant current limited output with high efficiency up to 93.6%. Part of the scalable REFIN family, it supports easy future power upgrades using the same panel slot. Typical applications for the RECOM Power REFIN2U CL Series Flat Panel 1AC power supply include industrial and home automation, flat panels, compact machinery, and energy management systems. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.